What?
I'm in IKEA. We're in IKEA. Say hello.
Hello. Wait, are you videotaping this?
Yes, I am.
Oh, I just made a face like you were going to take a picture.
Say hello, Jared.
Hello.
What else would you like to say?
Hello.
Couches. Let's sit on every one to see which one's the comfortablest.
Comfortable.
Jared, texting now, are you? Yeah?
Going on the escalator.
Ooh. We're in IKEA.
Oh.
I didn't even see that.
Chair.
Plastic? I didn't know there was a thing called plastic.
Plastic. Twat. Texting, Becca?
Yeah. So I'm running to people now. I have an idea. Why?
Look what it's so when you're...
Oh, that was clearly now. Yeah, well, Mom needs the carriage.
What you like?
Jared, you have to follow it. I have to fire.
Turning left. I mean right.
Oh my god.
Where's our mama?
Where's Mom? Oh,
over there.
Skinny jeans on and my kick so clean. Skinny jeans on and my kick so clean. You're a jerk. You're a jerk. Watch out for people. Oh.
Side table black. What is that?
Oof. Film the lamb. The pretty lamb. Oh yes. Excuse me, I did not gain any pounds. I haven't eaten anything.
Oh, I think they went through.
No, they didn't. No, they didn't. They're over there. They're over there.
In their rocking chair.
Oh yeah. Skinny jeans on and my kick so clean. I have no shirt on. Skinny jeans on and my kick so clean. Is that chair comfortable, Daddy? See, that's what I told him, but he's not listening. He is a bad boy. Bad kitty. Go, Jared, go. This is beast. Relax. My new crib. This is the bomb. OMG. Look at this. For your safety. Oh, it's so cute. Say hello. Oh, I think I'm going to Jared.
Look at this.
Ooh, look at that light. Ooh, cute.
Hey, Julie, you can't do this. Normally you can't do this. What? Think we're gonna
Can I
start
to the camera?
something to do with
No?
your carriage skills, that.
Caleb?
Yeah, I know.
Joe? Gerard? Jared.
This is $20.
This is awesome. It's so cool. Okay. What should I do? What should I do? Roll down this. Oh my god, this is so cool.
Whatever you don't sit down.
Yeah, videotape me running.
The basket. Stick to it. Wait, is it on? Is it taping?
Yeah.
Oh.
Really hot. Really